The third part of the YouTube, we are going to discuss the same question based on distance formula. Take question number 1. If the point Pxy is equidistant from the points 5, 1 and -1, 5, prove that 3x is equal to 2y. That means question says that this point is equidistant from the point A and from the point B. Equidistant, what is the meaning of equidistant? The same distance. The distance between P and A is equal to the distance between P and B. Answer. What is P given? Na xy. What is A given? Na 5, 1. And what is B given? -1, 5. And here also given that PA equals to PB as per the equidistant. The question is equidistance. So we have to calculate first the distance between P and A using the distance formula. Write in the left hand side distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square distance. On the right hand side write the distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this implies square root of first PA. Try to understand PA. x2 minus x1 means 5 minus x whole square. This is x2, this is x1. This is y2, this is y1 means plus 1 minus y whole square. Square root of here P and B. Here you take B and this is x means -1 minus x. x2 is -1, this is x -1 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. This is minus. So now here both sides square root cancel. So what is left here? 5 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square equal. You see here both have the what? Tell me negative. I told you in the previous question, you take minus common. If you take minus common, that means minus square will be positive. That means it becomes what? Tell me 1 plus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. Now you expand using this one. What? Tell me a minus b whole square. Here a minus b whole square. Here a plus b whole square. Here a minus b whole square. So you will find the answer. So 5 minus x whole square, how to write? 5 square minus 2 into 5 into x plus x square. Left hand side I am writing plus 1 square. This is minus 2 into 1 into y plus y square, that is equal to, here you write 1 plus x square, 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x plus x square plus here 5 square minus 2 into a means 5 into y plus y square. Now get the square of this 5 square, 25. What is the product? 2 5 are 10 minus 10x plus x square. That means plus this becomes 1 square 1 minus 2y plus y square, and the right hand side 1 square 1 2x plus x square plus 25 minus 10y plus y square. So you arrange all the terms from, take all the terms of right hand side to left hand side. 25 minus 10x plus x square plus 1 minus 2y plus y square minus 1 minus 2x minus x square minus 25 plus 10y minus y square equal to 0. Now you arrange it. First you arrange all the numbers. 25 here plus 1 here minus 1 here minus 25. Then you arrange all the x terms here. Minus 10x here minus 2x. Then you arrange x square term plus x square, and here minus x square. Then you arrange y term minus 2y here plus 10y. Then you arrange y square term. Here y square, here minus y square. Arrange equals to 0. 25 20 cancel, 1 1 cancel. And what is left here? X square minus x cancel. Here y square minus y. What is left here now? Minus 10x minus 2x. What is the answer? Minus 12x, because both are negative. Here minus 2y plus 10y. But 10 is positive more. Then plus will come. 10 minus 2, 8y equals to 0. But what is now here? This is negative. Now you multiply. This is negative. So you multiply minus. It will become what? Tell me. Plus means 12x. This will be plus means multiplied by minus means 8y. 0 negative means 0. But you are going to prove that 3x equals to 2y. So what you have to do here? Here 12 and 8, some common is there. You take common 4. What is left? 4 3 is 12, 3x minus 2y equals to 0. This 4 will be take that side. 3x minus 2y equals to 0 by 4 equals to 0. So 3x minus 2y equals to 0. That means 3x is equal to 2y. Hence proved. Here you please students, I told you one question. When you will find here both are negative, minus 4 minus x whole square, you will write in the next step, that is 4 plus x whole square. Try to understand. Remember this one. This is negative, this is negative. If you take, how it becomes? Now you take minus common, that will be, both will be plus. Then you write here square. This minus square will be plus. So it becomes 4 plus x whole square. Clear now? Again, once again, minus y minus 2 whole square. What the answer you will write? Y plus 2 whole square. Clear? Please try to understand these things. So now another question you take it. Very nice question. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Here the question says you are given 3 points, 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2, and the question says that form an isosceles triangle. Try to understand what do you mean by isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, so the triangle formed is an isosceles triangle. So first of all you have to consider what are the 3 points. A is what? 5 minus 2. What is B? 6, 4. What is C? 7 minus 2. So you have to calculate the distance using distance formula. The distance between A and B, you have to first calculate AB. AB means you have to consider only A and B. What is using the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To calculate AB, square root x2 means 6 minus x1 means 5. 6 minus 5 whole square plus what is y2? 4 minus what is y1? Minus 2. Here minus, again minus, means it becomes plus. Directly I am doing here. Right? That means square root of 6 minus 1 square plus 4 plus 2, 6 square. So that is square root 1 square 1 plus 6 square 36. So that becomes square root of 37 units. AB you calculated. Similarly calculate BC. BC is the same formula, square root of distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But in this formula only x2 x1 y2 y1 will be changed. What is the x2 here? 7. What is the x1? 6. Means 7 minus 6 whole square plus what is y2? Minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So that becomes square root of 7 minus 6 means 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 means minus 6 whole square. That is 1 square means 1 plus minus 6 means 36. So square root of 37 units. So here you see the here, and again you calculate the length of SC. So calculate the length of SC. What is the length of SC? SC means the point A and the point C you have to take. What is x2? 7. What is x1? 5. What is y2? Minus 2. Here minus 2. So SC is equal to square, the same formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is square root of what is x2? 7 minus, you see here x2 7 minus 5 whole square plus, what is y2 here? Minus 2. What is y1? Again minus 2. Clear? Minus 2, that will be how much? Minus 7 plus 2 whole square. So now 7 minus 5, 2 square plus 0 square. So that becomes square root of a 2 square means 4 plus 0, square root of 4, that is 2 units. So now tell me here, what is AB you calculated? Now square root of 37. What is BC you calculated? Square root of 37. So both sides are same or not? Here AB and BC same. Here AB equals to BC equals to square root of 37 units. So now two sides are equal. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Thank you. And based on this you can calculate equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means you have to calculate AB, you have to calculate BC, you have to calculate AC, then get, if see all the distance will be same, then you tell the